Hi everyone. Hope you all are doing good today. So Ubuntu 26.04 is available for download now. Actually, it will be available in 20 like next year, April 23, 2026. But the ISO file is available for installing and testing purpose. So basically, so Ubuntu 26.04 LTS is known as Resolute Raccoon, and let's understand some features of it. So basically, I'll go through this. So instead of creating a document, and so this is available. So we'll go through this website. So release date is April 23rd, 2026, which is next year, coming year. Desktop environment is GNOME 5 50 core utility, Rust based sudo rs util core util new default apps showtime for video resources system monitor. So release information 1 to 26.04 LTS. Code name is Resolute Raccoon. It's scheduled for release. So this already we have seen. So development timeline is like this. So you can go to official release website. So let it open. So this is the dates and milestones. Uh, okay, so Genome 550 desktop environment will be there. Rust-based core utilities will be there. Unified software management will be there. Like App Center becomes the single place of handle all application regardless of packaging format. So basically, App Center will handle all the installation packages. So basically, it will manage dev package directly in App Center and other packages also. So technical updates. So expected tool chain include Linux kernel 6.20 or 7x, Mesa 25.3 graphics driver, Python 3.14, GCC 16. So these are the technical updates will be there, and security and encryption features. So TPM backed full disk encryption will be available. So you can encrypt your disk using TPM. Snap permission prompting. So granular permission framework for Snap application. So for installing something, it will prompt for like it will prompt whether you want to install it or not, something of that sort, which we always get in window when an application try to install something which needs administrator privilege. So this there will be such prompt here. So Intel TDX confidential computing. So native support for Intel Trust domain extension will be there. Post quantum cryptography, updated OpenSSH and OpenSSL package with hybrid post quantum algorithm default. Okay, hardware support. So basically, Ubuntu 26.04 shipped with Mesa 25.3, providing enhanced graphics driver with Vulkan 1.4 support. So these are all graph hardware support related things. So basically, these all other features are there. So default application, if you see, so Showtime will be there, which will replace the Totem as default video player, featuring immense immersive and distraction-free interface. So we'll also install this whatever ISO is available now. So we'll install this into virtual machine and we'll see what are things are there. So before that, I'm just explaining the process, like things which will be there. So basically, it's written here. You can read more on this, and there are many blogs available on this. So if you want to learn in detail, you can go through this. Flutter based application, Ubuntu App Store install and Security Center are built using Flutter for cross platform consistency. Okay, so both Totem and Genome System Monitor remains available in Ubuntu. Okay, So support and life cycle, add LTS release 1 to 26.04, receive comprehensive long-term support, standard support 5 years, and hardware enhanced 3 years, expanded additional 5 years, legacy support optional 2 additional years. So basically providing up to 12 years of long-term support. So basically this version will be supported up to 2038. Okay, so it's a long time. Testing and download, monthly snapshot. Development ISO appears towards the end of each month from November 2025 through March 2026. Snapshot 2 scheduled for December 18th, 2025. So today is 16th. So maybe a day after tomorrow it will be available. So beta testing. Uh, okay, so daily builds, development ISO available for testing. So these are the links which you can visit. Okay, so from here you can download things if you can see. So this is all about its release release schedule. You can go through this. This is the website. Okay, and this is like this is the ISO which is available. This cdimage.ubuntu.com daily hyphen live slash current. So from here you can download the ISO file for testing purpose. Okay, before it's like final version is out. Okay, so you can download this one. So basically it's 5.8 GB image. So maybe final version may increase or decrease somewhat. So we'll see that when it comes out finally. So conclusion is like Ubuntu 26.04 represent a significant milestone in Ubuntu evolution, combining long-term stability with forward-looking modernization. Okay, so these are some frequently asked question things to install on Ubuntu. Okay, so these are different things. So this is basically this is the linuxconfig.org. So from here we understand like what features are there. So this is official website of Ubuntu. From here you can come and learn about this. So from your desktop image about it. Yeah, here also you can download it from here. So I'll yeah. So this is server version. So if you want to test this server version, you can download this. If you want to install desktop edition, you can download this one. And netboot is also available. You can download from here. Okay. Okay. Fine. So I have already downloaded it, the ISO file. Let's install it. Okay. So for that, I'll start VMware. Okay. Let's create new virtual machine. New virtual machine. Next, install our image. Yeah, it should be here. Okay, software, Linux, Ubuntu. Okay, so this is the iOS image which I have already downloaded just to save the time. Okay, next. Ubuntu, rename it 26.04. Okay. So I rename like this. This is so I'll give 25 GB for now. Customize hardware. I'll increase processor to 4. Okay, network adapter, NAP is fine, or I'll keep it bridged. Close, finish. So this is how, okay. So it has started the machine. Okay, this is how it looks. I'll close this. Okay, so this is how it boots. And my make it full screen. So let's wait for it. Yes, booting. Okay, so this is how it looks. I'll make it better, bigger. Okay, let's make it bigger. Display size. Okay, increases. Okay, I'll make it bigger a bit. Okay, okay. Apply. Keep the change. Okay, so now hopefully it looks better. So scaling, I can make it bigger, apply, it will be a bit bigger. So let it be default 100%. Okay, apply. So this also looks fine. Okay, so this is our setting, and so this is installer has started. Next, English, next. So the installer looks similar to previous installer. Maybe some changes are there, some like a bit sleek, and curves are a bit more. Okay, next, install Ubuntu. Next, interactive. I'll select automated. Okay, I'll select interactive default selection. I can go for default or extended. Let's go for it. Extended. Install third party. I will not install it for now. This is just for testing purpose. But if you install the final version, you can select these things. Okay, so you can select. I let it be like that. Erase disk. Install Ubuntu. Manual is, let's see. So this is the disk space I have assigned plus ext4 and mount point root. Okay, so this is the disk space. Next, it's asking again. Should not have asked. 2604 2604. Okay, this is just an email like password. So require my password to log in. If you disable this one, it will not ask for password, but let it be. So if you have Active Directory, so this is just for testing purpose, demo purpose. I'm doing it. But if you have Active Directory which you want to connect to, all these configuration you can do it here. Here I will select India. Next, and so this is the final thing. Install. So I'll do, I'll enable this terminal. So in this we can see what's going on basically. So let's wait for it till it installs. So let it install. Meanwhile, maybe I'll explore things here. So here the setting is similar, okay, as earlier. So wired, this is network related thing, power mode, dark style. So if you disable it, so see it has become dark style. Okay, so this is good option. Make it dark and light. So both looks good, and this don't do not disturb mode. Then this is for taking screenshot. You can take screenshot like this. Either so this is good option. So selection window. There is option to take screenshot, and there is option to I think let's see. Okay, this will take the entire screen window. This will be window, and this is good. So I'll take this and okay, fine. I thought I'm not sure why this icon is there. What is this? Show pointer. Okay, okay, it's showing pointer. Okay, fine. Okay, so I'll disable it. I'll capture it. Okay, so it has captured it, and this is automatically saved in picture. So this is all about this menu screenshot. Then this is setting. Setting should be similar to the older version of Ubuntu. So network is there, network related configuration. Then you have Bluetooth. You can add or add, like if you have Bluetooth, it should come. But I think I have not added the to this VM, so it's not coming. Display related things, landscape, this you can change when you have installed it on system. The sound related settings, power related settings, multitasking, you can see hot corner if you enable and take their mouse here. So this does not work in VM, I think. So, but in original, like install on a machine, if you take a mouse here, it will be like this. Okay, it will show you this one. So you just have to take your mouse here. So that is hot corner. Okay, so action edge, active screen edge, like this. If you do see here, you can what you can like place like this, and okay, and like this you can place. Okay, see. Okay, like this you can place. So okay, so you can minimize and do like this. Okay, so dynamic workspace. So if you do fix number of four, then if you click see, there will four number of workspaces. You can see one, two, three, four. So if you want, you can keep as you like. Dynamic means if you suppose if you are taking this here. One second, sorry. It should be there. See, it's not going. Not sure why. It should go like this. Okay, fine. So it has. I'll close this for now. On let's explore the setting for now. Okay. So multitasking. These are all settings related to the look and feel, and then dynamic workspace. Those kind of things. Okay. Appearance, dark or light version. This is good. These are the different wallpapers that are available. If you can see, what I'll do, I'll change it and okay, it's not becoming smaller. It should. I am not sure why I'm not able to make it smaller. It should. Okay, let it be like this. Uh, okay, fine. Okay, so these are the different wallpapers that are available now. What I'll do, I'll change it and minimize to show you. See, this is one. Then this is second one. Okay, okay, this is okay, fine. So okay, this is on the second workspace. Okay, so if you do like this, it will go here. Okay, so you can see because if you don't have anything on the this desktop, it will automatically close. Okay, so here, yeah. So these are the different what different uh, wallpapers available. So you can use that. So this is all about display related settings, accent color. You can see. Okay, make it smaller. Okay, fine. So this is okay. Hope you understand. This is related to appearance, Ubuntu desktop, related to this desktop icon. If you do, it will show the desktop icon. You can see home, these things it will show. Okay, okay, fine. And this one, I'll put it on first one. Yes, fine. Okay, so these are all about Ubuntu desktop related auto hide dock. You can see. So if you enable this one, this you can see if you click this dock will be auto hide, so I don't like it like this, so I'll keep it like this. So see, this will always be available, and you can see if you minimize this, it will go to, if you minimize this, it will go here. Okay, I'll okay, fine. So I'll continue testing for now. Let's do it, and I'll restart and again I'll explore. Okay, fine. So this is all about the desktop related. Then you have apps. So these are different apps which are available by default. These are app related setting, open app detail, all those kind of things you can do. Auto start. You can make it click. It will auto start like that. Okay. So these things you can do from here. Any suppose if you have suppose for example, I'll have this clock. If you want to auto start, not changing. Not sure why. It should change. App detail also not coming. It should come. Fine. We'll see after restart. And then this is notification search. Here you can add different thing. I think there should be a location, add location, or you can do new location for search. Online accounts, you can add your Gmail, Outlook, NetCloud, all those kind of accounts here. Sharing, you can share media sharing or different thing. Then you have a well-being. So okay, this is new thing I am seeing. It should be there in the previous also, but here it's like I just saw. So I think it's eyesight reminders, remind to look away from the screen. This is good option, very good. Every operating should have this option. Movement reminder, this is good. So 5 minutes movement break schedule. I think 5 minutes, 30 minutes is fine. Movement break schedule, duration 1 minute, interval 20 minutes. Okay, so 5 minutes 30. So every 30 minutes it will be show you to move. Like it will show you you should move now, like that. It can do. Screen limit you can define daily 8 hours or something. This is good option. Every operating system should have this. If it's there, it's fine. Otherwise, every then mouse and touchpad related settings. It's a bit okay, fine. Okay, now it's opening. Some issue. Okay, show details. So genome control center, it has some. So I can send it. So it better if you are testing it and it asks you to send the report to the developer. You should send it because they will understand. Like, currently we are testing it, right? So we should always send this. So this is software center. Actually, we clicked on that apps, so it is coming now. It's a bit late. So okay, so we were at the settings. Okay, fine. This is setting mouse and touchpad related thing. I think it will fail again. This is okay. This is a bug. I can kind of. So I'll send it again. Okay, let's try once more. Authenticate. Fine. Let's start once more setting. So instead of mouse and touchpad, I'll do something. Yeah, keyboard. So there is a issue with this section. Okay, mouse and keyboard. So if so once I click this, it's closing. So there is some issue with that section. Okay, so one bug we have found, kind of. Okay, so system is fine. So or everything related to system, secure shell. I see a new thing. Access the device using secure shell. Okay. So okay. So if you enable this, you can connect to this device using SSH. Okay. Fine. These all things you can. So this is remote desktop. If you enable this, you can connect to this computer using remote desktop. For now, I'll cancel this. So you can enable these settings here about. So this is all about also this Ubuntu Resolute Raccoon development branch. So this is a development branch. This is VMware Intel Core i9 7 GB. I had allocated 8 GB. It is showing 7.7, and I had added 25 GB. It is showing 26.8 somehow. System display. So this is all about the system. Okay. So Linux 6.17, this is the kernel version. Wayland, Windows system and Wayland virtualization. Okay, that is inside VM, so that's why it's showing, and other thing it's showing. Okay, fine. And privacy settings, you can see screen lock, location. These things you can configure here. Okay, fine. Cameras, enable camera access. Those kind of settings. Accessibility, printer. Actually, if we have accessibility is basically to help users with some kind of special abilities, or suppose someone is not able to see on the screen, the screen reader will read things on the screen. So if I enable this, see, if I click, so actually there are some issues because see, this is a development branch, so things will be there like that. So once people will start testing it, using it, and they will report it, so developers will be making it better. Okay, so I'll disable this for now. Animate effect, animation effect. Fine. So accessibility, like someone has issue with typing, then key there will be a key like screen keyboard. From here you can type. Okay, keyboard. See, the keyboard has come. Okay. If I click here, suppose search. We click here, a keyboard will come. So instead of keyboard, we can use you can type using mouse. So suppose someone has issue with typing, so they can use this setting accessibility. Okay, so I'll disable this for now. Fine. So this is all actually. Then printers you can add here. Add printer. I have one printer, so it's showing that this is good. Like it's I recognize the network printer. So color management, you can add the color, calibrate things, add profile, add color profile here like this. Okay, so if you are interested in you work in color things and all, so like Photoshop or any editing things, so you can add a different color which suits for your editing style and all, and everything matches. So keyboard related things, and if I click mouse and touchpad, it will close. Okay, so this has some bug. Few bugs we have seen. So this is all about the setting. Uh, I'll try to see. There should be. Where is the? Sorry, where is the applications? Application menu is not coming. Okay, so let's restart it. I'll restart. What is this? Okay, okay. So this has show application. Okay, this is new thing. Earlier, I think there, if some option was there, if you click that one, the application will come. So this is new thing. Show apps. So you can see these are the different application by default available, additional driver, calculator, clocks, calendar, document scanner, firmware updates, settings, gparted. This is used for partitioning things, language support, camera, characters, LibreOffice, utilities. Inside utility, you have document viewer, file roller, I think archive to archive files, fonts, image viewer. Then we have systems, which has advanced network configuration, backup, disk usage analyzer, disks. It will show you the list of disks which are available. See, you can see. Okay, fine. So, okay, fine. Here we were. System and system monitor. This I think I have seen in new here. Let's see what it is. This one is simple native stack, confined stack, simple. I'm not sure what it is. Maybe I have to read about what is this. Something compositor frame timing system record with power profile, no change. Something's there. We can see the once I'll start. I'll check for this. Okay, so the system monitor, this is just a resource manager like this. You can see the system users here. This, I think there is change in this styling. Okay, okay, something is I think similar only. So this is processes, number of processes. By default, I think around, oh, this one, how many? 50. And then I think around 70 or 80 processes are running in the beginning, and by default memory uses is genome shell using much of the memory, 172 MB. Then genome system monitor, which is this one. If I close this, so this one is using around 143 MB. CPU basically, okay, this one person, so it's very less compared to other operating systems. Okay, disk uses, disk writes. Okay, settings, you can define all these things. There are a lot of options there you can play with. So this is system monitor, this is file system, and this is resource manager. Okay, you can see that. Fine. And let's go to application now again. So this is Excel. This is, I think, draw, like paint, like you can do drawings. This is like kind of PowerPoint. This is mathematics for adding formulas and all. This is password and keys, password manager. You can create a new item here, a GPG key, secure shell, password keyring, password. So this is a password manager, built-in password manager. So which is those you can add to this person just to remember it. Yeah, so these are the password. Then we have power statistics. This is new thing I can see. So this is showing related to power. Okay. So some new applications I can see in this version. Maybe in the final version there will be more applications or less application. That depends. This is for remote desktop security center. Let's open it. How it looks. App permissions. See required apps to ask for system permission. So this you can enable or disable. Okay. So if you enable this one, enabling it might take. Okay. So okay. So I think let's me open this one, but is it install? Okay, see here it's asking for the permission. You can see, right? So earlier I think it will just install, it will not ask. But now if I suppose I disable it, okay, fine. And now I'll check it if it is asking for installation or not. Let's see. Okay. Install. Okay, still asking. So maybe some other things. Maybe I have to check on this. What this okay? So strictly confined apps will ask you before accessing file and folder. This feature is experimental. Okay, fine. Let's see. Strictly confined apps. Okay, so you can define apps here, I think. So they will ask permission. Manage. You can create rules here. Something you have to play with it. Maybe in future I'll create one video on this. Leave it for now. So basically, okay. So this security system, this is photo manager, this is software updates, latest setting. You can define the so you can see repository here, other software and updates, authentication, additional driver. So you can install it like this. Developer options pre-released Ubuntu Pro. Okay, enable Pro. The machine is not configured. Okay, fine. So Ubuntu Pro is, I think, a paid version of it. It has good amount of support and good amount of software options, I think. So this is software updater. It will update the software. Starter disk creator. You can a terminal. The color has changed. Earlier it was, I think, black color. Currently it's violet. Okay, so the color has changed. I think there should be an option to change the color. Okay, this also looks good. Okay, okay, it's related to system. Okay, fine. Preference. So like this, you can change. This is good. Wow, this looks good, man. So all these things you can choose depends upon your preference. You can have. So I like this one. I like this one. I like basic this one. Okay, fine. So this is the terminal. Okay. Okay, so this is all about the version. Okay, I'll close this terminal. Uh, let's see. So we have seen the terminal. We have text editor, transmission, and video. Okay, I agree. Transmission is nothing but something to send messages. Okay, fine. I think a kind of download manager. Okay, fine. So these are the different default apps which are available here. So I'll restart this once and let's see if anything change after restart. So let's search this and restart. It's starting now. I like it if the resolution changes automatically once the desktop is loaded. It should change. Let's see. And desktop like login screen has these options. These three options where network, dark style or light style. Okay, do not disturb. Okay, fine. So these options are there, fine. And this is the calendar available on the login screen. And this is the option. This is accessibility option. You can enable, disable it. I don't see that changing desktop environment over here. It should be there, but it's not. Earlier, it used to be here. If you click that, you can change the desktop environment. Okay, so I'm logged in. Maybe I'll to change the resolution first. I change the okay. So there are new options here. You can see, right? When I used to click the right click, some few options were there in the beginning, I think. So desktop icon setting, display setting. So I'll make it bigger. First thing I can do. So, but if it is in, it should automatically scale up. I think that should be there. So let's. I'll make it bigger. Apply. Yeah, fine. So keep the changes. Okay. So this is how it looks now. So this is showing the icon. Okay. See something like maybe it's inside VM, so some and also a development. So some see some lag or something is there, right? You can see, but that's good. Okay, fine. So this is the welcome script. Welcome to Ubuntu Resolute Raccoon development branch. Complete your setup with the additional settings and will have you up running in no time. View release notes. Okay, let's see the release notes. It is using Firefox by default browser. Okay, fine. This is a very good browser. Uh, you can use this browser, and it has all the options which other browser has. And like, so this is the release note. Okay, so you can see Ubuntu introduction. We have already gone through new features. So let's see new object package. So these are OpenJDK.NET default configuration change Ubuntu setting. Okay, these are the things. The Debian changes for new version have also disabled LTS, TLS 1.0. Okay, C6. So these are the different components. Maybe we can read through this. Okay, just read through this once you install it. So see, this is the timeline of changes. You can see, right? So from here to here, what all things will be there. Okay, so fine. Let's close this browser now. Next. Yes, share my system detail. Okay, I'll share. Show the first report. Okay, fine. Okay, I'll share it because I'm just testing it. So legal notice. So some legal things. If you want, if you are interested, you can read this up. Then next, get started with more application. Open application center. I'll open it. So this is App Center. I'll explore this one a bit. This looks more sleek, more polished now, and a bit faster. Let's see and finish. So, okay, so this is how this is all about welcome string, screen. So this is help. Okay, Ubuntu guide. So it's available for you your desktop so you can this is help center you can get all the details about the Ubuntu. Okay, back is there. User system settings, color management. How can import color profile? What is color profile? Segment color profile. Back. Then we have sound related set things. I can't play sound. So these all help documents is there. If you find like it will be helpful to go through this. Okay, let's close this. Then by default, you have this Chrome. Sorry, not Chrome. Firefox, then Thunderbird application for mail, then File Manager, like Internet, like Windows Explorer. So by default, in Home you have desktop. Okay, so this is what desktop. So document, your documents will be here. Downloads will be here. Music, picture, public, snap, template, and video. These are well organized and like Explorer, File Explorer. So this is inside Home. So this is the current user home directory, and these are the different categories of directories available. Then we have recent. So if you open anything, it will come over here. Start. If you make some application or some folders, start. It will come here. Let's try that. Maybe there should be an option here. If it is not there, maybe here like this you can do. See, it has become start. If you come here, your things will be like your things will be here. So suppose if you have want to have some a kind of bookmark things, files or folders, you can do it like this. Okay, so skip, cannot move. Okay, skip. Here there should be an option to unstar. Okay, so it has gone. So like this, you can keep different things here by bookmarking. Then we have network. Here, what are the options? I'll see. No network. Their options should be there. So server address. Okay, sorry, okay, it's not connecting. Okay, it's asking for these things. Either AFP, FTP. So you can have the different network places like HT, FTP locations like this. This is trash, like recycle bin. This is your documents, music, pictures, video, download, floppy disk. Okay, there is something like floppy disk. I'm not sure how is it. UBQ permanent. Okay, something has mounted a floppy disk. And then we have CD-ROM, custom ISO Linux, which I had mounted. Okay, fine. Okay, so this is all about the file manager. Let's see what our options are there. This is view, different views. Okay, this you if you want to search something, this is search. If you want to search some file and folder, this will come. Okay, home. I'll go to root directory and suppose I want to search anything. What should I search? Log. Suppose I want to search. See, so it's this like it's very fast actually. The search is very fast. Star.log. Let's see. Yeah. So I don't think there is any kind of files like this. There should be an option for searching. See, there are different options. So you can search like this if you want to search all audio file or document or folders, image, PDF, spreadsheet, text. So these are the file types. And you can also search using dates, text matching, content of the file name. So if you write, like if you search now and select this, it will also look inside the file name, only file name. So this will only search for the file name. Okay. So audio type. See, if you do audio, right? So these are not audio, these are audio, and but the content of the file name, text matching, only file name, audio. Okay, so this is good option. So there are other options also, date range, 1 day, 2 days, like this you can search for. This is good. Like this is I can see this is very fast. And the search option. Okay, so this is all about file manager. This is like music player, I think. You can play music here. You have to log in. Last FM, you have to log in. Okay. So this is music count tracks, find or recover music. Okay. So like this, you can use the online service for this music player. This is writer, a Word window like Word, Word editor, you can create documents here. What are the save options are there? See, suppose this is sample. There's a document. I'll see what are the save options are there. Just want to see the portability. So you can save this document in ODF, flat XML, unified UOT, docx, docx, Word, Word 2007 format. So these are all the options are there. You can search. So this is very compatible with other operating like other Word or document editors. So this is also good. So let's close this. I don't want to save it now. So this is Word. This is App Center. We'll explore this one. This is CD-ROM, floppy disk, and trash. So this is all about the this bar here. Let's see what are the application available. I think nothing has changed. So whatever we have explored earlier while installing, it is same thing, same applications. So you can add or install new application whatever you want. You have always, so this I can see. Okay, here you can rename the. Okay, there should be an option. I think. See, I clock. Okay, see, like this you can. This is good option. So you can put things here. Let's see, software. Then you can preferences. Like this you can rename and categorize. So see, so you can create the groups of, like, suppose if I want to create like this in office things. See, so like this you can create office. It has automatically identified, so it has renamed it in office. Like this you can create categories. Yeah, so transmission. Okay, fine. So you can create category like this for your ease. Okay, fine. So these are the application which we have already explored. Fine. Okay. So you can bring, I think there should be here, what I feel, there should be now option to make these icons smaller. Okay. And suppose there are only five icons over in the second screen, there should not be, like, there should be an option to make these smaller, and at least see these are the blank space over here, this whole blank space. Okay, so they, it can fit, right? This, there is no use of this blank space, right? So why to fix this up to this much only, right? So it should be up to here. I think maybe for visibility, or like, how it looks, they have decided to keep it like this, but I think they can use this space up to here to adjust, like, to like compensate or adjust more application in one screen. So there should not be need to. Okay, let's okay. Okay, office. Okay, so see, I bring it here? Yeah, I can bring it here. Can I bring this here? No, I cannot. So this is only fixed one. Okay, so if I make it somewhere, I can make it room like this. Setting, and then calculator is like this. So you can do this kind of changes. Yeah, bring it here. It is coming. I'll put editor somewhere like this. Okay, fine. So like this you can change here. Yeah, here you can put, you can make it here, you can make it here, whatever. You can change according to your preference. But one idea from my side is that at least you can use this much. Like, developer should modify this area. Why to keep this much blank? Only saturating this up to here only. Okay, so this is one thing and that can be changed. Fine. So why should I go? See, only for two icons, why should I go to this? Yeah, I can do this. Like, I can make it, see, I can adjust this one. Additional driver will go to settings. Okay, like this I can do. See, I can bring it here. I can make it one screen. See, here, like this. See, that's fine. One screen. So like this you can adjust. But still, I feel this much space, leaving this much blank space is not good. This is use it like up to here. Okay, and if something does not fit here, you can always have like second window for this. Okay, so this is all about applications by default. Okay, so the right click on the desktop, new folder, select all, arrange icon, arrange by these different options, show desktop files. Okay, this is okay. So this will basically, if you anything on desktop, it will show desktop in files. Okay, so it will open your desktop into file manager. Okay, so open in terminal. So basically, you see, it will open desktop here. Okay, fine. Good option. Change background. You can change background here. Wow, this looks good. I always like the selection of the wallpapers. How there. So this is like time based. So if it is night time, it will be black. It will. So so this is time based. This is also time based. So if we change the time, I should be able to change the time. AW, it's asking that. this many updates are available. So if you come over here, so if there is any notification on updates here, if you click here, it will come here. So I just clicked it, it's gone. It's something should be opening. Okay, so these are the different desktop wallpapers which are available by default. You can use whichever you like. This looks good. This looks good. This is very colorful. This is soothing. Okay, fine. So whichever you like, you can use it. Fine. So this is all about. So then we have changed background, desktop icon settings. Okay. So what you can do, you can s- change the setting related. So normal size, small. See the size has changed, right? You can make it tiny. See smaller. If you can large, this large icon. Okay. So position of new icon, top right, top left, like this. If you create new icon, where it should like align to, this option you can select here. If you click this, it will be gone. Show home folder. So this is home folder you can do, and here auto hide dock. If you select this will be gone. It will automatically hide this. It should work now. See, okay, it should go. Not sure why it's not going. Maybe a bug or something. So this should auto hide. Let's see. Let's see if it hides or not. Let's wait for some time. It should hide. Okay, fine. Panel mode. Okay, this is good option. This is not working. I'm not sure why. This should work. See, it should auto hide. If you click this auto hide, this should. If you click here, it should go basically, but it's not going. Fine. So maybe some bug. It will come good in final version of it. So panel mode. This I like it. So this is smaller. So I think there should be an option to see. You can make it bottom. This is good. So whichever position you like, you can keep it bottom or right. You can keep it here. You can keep it left. You can sorry left here or bottom. So I like basically here. So you can keep things here. So icon size you can make it bigger, smaller. Just to like if you have lot many icons, you can make it smaller to compensate or adjust more icons on it. Well, less you can make it bigger for better visibility. This is fine. Standard one. Configuration dock behavior, show volume and devices. If you see, you can check, right. Things are changing. Some icons are going and coming. Include unmounted. See, unmounted and include network. You can see, right. Something. Okay, the CD one is going. See, this one is going and floppy is going. Okay, so show trash. If you disable it, it will not show trash here. So these are all retro icons. You can play with it and whatever you like. You can have as enhanced styling. Enhanced styling. Okay, so something is changing. It's adjusting something. Tiling pop up. Tile groups. Okay, fine. So you can play with this. Fine. Okay, so display icon setting, then we have display setting, orientation, you can change to portrait right, portrait left, landscape flipped. So suppose if you have many monitors and if you want to keep one monitor in landscape, one monitor in like portrait right or portrait left, so you can have both side like two monitors at both side and you can change the settings accordingly. So it will automatically, if you have more than one monitor, it will automatically show you here, and you can change the display orientation accordingly. According. So this is refresh set you can change, and this is resolution as you like. Make it bigger or smaller according to your preferences. Then we have the scale, 100% or this you can see. I will just see how big it becomes. Keep the changes. Fine. This has become very big. Okay. So this, if you want, you can keep it like this. How you like it. Okay. So I'll make it 100%. 100% apply. Okay, so this is how it looks. Fine. Now this is about right click on the desktop. What else? Okay, it has gone. Okay, fine. So now I'll explore the App Center. One thing that remains. So this new App Center looks very sleek, faster than earlier. Looks good. Explore. This is basically different softwares available for you to install. Feature snaps, Mumble, open source, low latency, high quality voice chat. Uh, Paint program, Insomania, Insomania. Okay. Then you have Clion, Hey Mail. So these are different applications available for you. You can download and install it. So from your first sketch to, so these are related to graphics editing, and these are the different categories of software. So entertainment. Okay, so this is loading very fast. It's faster than earlier version. It used to take a much. So this is all allowed related to entertainment. Explore and install whatever you like. Suppose if you are a developer, so you can go to a developer section. So this is the like developer section here. Discover more. So this is development. Here you can install IDE, different languages for development. And you have Android Studio, Visual Studio Code, Eclipse. So these are different IDE and languages, like you have Ruby. You can have Jupyter Lab Desktop or Flutter. So these are the different development options available for this. Yeah, it's flickering, I think. So this is also one thing we have noticed. See, if I scroll it faster, see, it's flickering. Okay, you can see, right? Okay. So here you can sort it according to alphabetical size, smaller, greater, larger, smaller, like this. Okay. So I'll do largest to smallest. Okay. So this is the very biggest. How much size it is? 4 GB. ODE3. So this is basically Open 3D engine. So if you work on these things, you would know what you need. So these are the development setting, explore. So we have featured. These are the featured applications. Then we have productivity. Inside this, you have Chromium, Firefox. These are the different browsers and applications, Office applications, Suits. Then you have messengers. It's flickering. It should not flicker like this. Hopefully, it will be good in the final version. So these are different things. They have Gemini desktop. You can have Gemini here. Okay. Wow, this is good. I think let's see if Chat GPT is there or not. Chat GPT. Yeah, it's there. See, Chat GPT is also there. Desktop version. You can install it and have your own Chat GPT version here. So this is all the productivity. DeepSeek is also there. Desktop edition. This is good. Wow. Okay. Productivity, development, games. You can install games here. Game development, emulators. Okay, let's see emulator. There is a whole amount of there. A lot of softwares available here. It's great. So these are different emulators available. Okay. So Steam, Discord, Minecraft. So these are different games. Discover more. Let's see. So these are different. RetroArch is the official reference front end for Libretto API. So these are the different emulators which you can install. PPSP. So there are different games available for this. You can install it and play retro games in this one. There are different like you have different websites where these retro games are available for this simulator. PPSP, you can download and install it. Okay, let's look good actually. Okay, so these are different options over here for emulator. Let's go back. Then you have KD game suit. So these are different categories and varieties of sorry, games which are available. You can install it and play. See, the performance will depend upon the graphics driver and the graphic it support. So hopefully this will support NVIDIA and all. Um, till now, I think Windows has been best for game playing. So I think some distros of Linux are also trying to become a game platform, game enabled platform, or good for game. So they are still we have option. You can try and play games here. Then you have Center Explore. So these are different categories. If you can see the cross one thing of to the list. Okay, so these are different browsers, Brave, and these things are there. So basically, what are the different category? I'll show you: art and design, books for reference, development, device and IoT, education, entertainment, features, finance, games, healthcare, fitness, music and audio, news and weather, personalization. Let's see what it is. Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll go one by one. So in arts and design, you have graphics editors, then animators and all. You have those kind of things for graphic designing and all. In books and reference, this is flickering somehow. So in book and reference, you have different thing related to study, reading and all. Ebook reader, I think, dictionary, all those kind of things related to reading. In development, you have development tools. In the device and IoT, there will be okay, ask mosquito MTQ broker. So I think different softwares for IoT enabled devices. You can there should be home. Okay, so these are different platforms which will support IoT devices. I think home. Okay, so home bridge, home kit support for the impatient like this. Is a lightweight Node.js server you can run for your home network that emulates the iOS home. Okay, so like the IoT device basically is internet enabled devices which you can connect and control through different platforms which are available. So this is IoT education related thing. So these are different KTurtle. This is okay. Okay, this is for learning basic program. You can see learn, coach, learn step, basic related students like, and we have we'll explore some of the applications so we'll get an idea. Plot, so you can plate graphs and you can learn like how graphs will look and according to. So these are related to study. This is good. This is a section for students and teachers. And okay, so entertainment, it should be like different YouTube DLL for downloading YouTube video or any online video. Then you have Plex server for hosting streaming videos and all. So these are related to entertainment. Featured, okay, so featured is basically it is selected by Ubuntu. Finance related to money and all, calculator, GNOME. This is basically different type of calculators. What different things are there? Then you have interactive terminal based on your application taking cryptocurrency. So all everything related to finance and money, it comes under finance. Okay. So okay, we have seen finance, games. We have already seen health and fitness, health pod, privacy presenting health document management and analysis using pod. Okay, okay, wow. So you can give your recordings here, and it will plot the and plot the graph and tell you everything about health. So this is all about it. Fine. So health and fitness, music and audio we know, news and weather we know, personalization. Let's see. Ubuntu Baji welcome. You can change this introduction install software. So basically, welcome application was designed to greet new user at the first run after the installing Ubuntu Baji. The application you can install it if you want. Fine. So Snap Store easily disk cleaner. This application will clean up your disk. It will show you like a graphical representation of disk, what is taking what. Okay, like this. So this is basically personalization your computer. Then we have photo and videos, productivity. We have already seen. And okay, fan science. So this is related software related to science. I think there are huge number of application available for every kind of people, for every kind of user. You just have to target what your preference is. You can go like, so this is security. I think antivirus and all will be there. Okay, antivirus. Then you have the password manager, ad guard, and all those kind of things related to security and privacy. And you have server and cloud. Wow. So this is micro Kubernetes. Like you can, if you know about Kubernetes, it's good. You can install and configure this here. Uh, okay, there are different options related to kubectl, Kubernetes, Postgres. These are different server and cloud related softwares. So you can host, I think, a cloud or things, or you can create your this Ubuntu version as a server. For this, I think yes, there should be HTTP, HTTP. You have HTTP server. Yeah, you can install those uh, API, Apache should be there. See, Apache NetBeans, Apache, and okay. So you can also like you can make this distribution which you're using as a to host application, to host website, host servers, those kind of things. Okay, I should go back. Fine. And we have seen the server and cloud, then social related to social networking, Telegram, Slack, all this messenger and all. And you have utilities, GNOME system monitor, Mumble, this different things, different options, different softwares. You can explore whichever you like. You can download and install. So okay, fine. So this is all about the software center. This is very good and huge amount of softwares category wise is available. I think it will be very good distro which will come. So this is a development branch. There should be some bugs and issues. So you can install, download, and test it. And if you find any error issue, just report it so that it can be made better. Ubuntu has been there for a long time, and I have been using Ubuntu, and I have been using different other versions also, like other distros also, like Red Hat, OpenSUSE. Then Debian. I have used many. So for like beginner user or like user which uh, uh, for you like it can be used for server also, but it's a good desktop option. It has been ruling the distro thing throughout. So hope you like this walkthrough, and hope you have got some idea about this. Maybe in the final version, things will change, new things will come, hopefully. So I'll also walk you through the any new milestone version will be available in 1 or 2 months. I'll install that also and we'll explore that. So hopefully you like it. Thanks for watching. Have a great time ahead. Please do like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what you like, what you don't like. Thank you. Have a great time ahead. Bye bye. Take care.